Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can mute or censor part of a video with a beep sound on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application and we can choose the part of our video we want to mute or censor with the beep sound. And for example, I'm just going to select this part. So we're going to split the part we want to mute. We can click on the split icon and then we can reduce the volume or mute it. You can just drag it down like this. Oops, sorry. You can drag it down on the volume part. Okay, and then you can put beep sound on this part. You can go to the audio and then select sound effect and then search for the beep sound. Okay, and there will be some beep sounds you can use, and for example I'm just going to select this one. Okay, I'm just going to add it to my video. All right, and this is the result. Choose this icon. Okay, adjust the position guys. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the way to mute or censor part of a video with beep sound on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.